Hello, my name is Biswas, and in this second screencast, I will be demonstrating the question 2 in my aggregation pipeline. And in the question 2, in this question, we will be getting a deep dive into the array section, and using the unwind operator, we will be analyzing each data within an array. So it's a really helpful operator if we have a lot of data within an array. And if we go into the question 2, it's find which tree species are most frequently utilized in heritage department and funded projects with operating cost over 20,000. And so we have to get each tree species, and based on each tree species we have to analyze the data and get which is most frequently used by heritage department. So in the first step, we will be retrieving the data that has the heritage department as its funding, and also that has an operating cost over 20,000. So if we run this, we will be getting a lot of data. So the data here is as you can see, the tree is an array, so there are like a lot of trees within an array. So what we'll be doing is we will be unwinding this data and really analyzing the tree based on each tree species, based on oak or beech. So first we need to unwind the trees. So to do that, we will be using the unwind operator. So if we just, so as we can see that each tree has now been separated from the array. So as we can see that we are getting a lot of data based on the specific tree species. So this operator is really helpful if we have a lot of data within an array and we need to analyze any specific data within an array, and it's and to deep dive within the data. So to get the calculation based on the tree species, we will be using the group operator based on the tree, and then on that we will be calculating using the average operator and the sum operator to get the total operation cost. So if we do that, so we will be getting the number of projects based on the tree species ash, beech, sycamore, and all other tree species, and also the average operating costs and the total operating costs. So as we can see, the unwind operator is really helpful in getting a really deep dive into the array. So in the fourth step, we will be using the sort operator to sort the data, and to do that we will be pasting the sort operator here. So now as we can see, the number of projects has been sorted, like 156, 151. So it has been sorted based on the descending order. And next we will be counting the number of data we got. So here we will be, so we got 5 total results. So here this operator, the unwind operator, we can also use on different arrays, not just trees. So if we just go and back into the filter, based on the matching. Yeah, so we have like other filters as well. So as we can see, we have the expertise also. So since it's within the planter document, so we can also filter the or unwind the array within the planter document. So to do that, we can like go back to the unwind section, and like uh, we can do planter dot expertise. So this will unwind the data within the planter array, expertise array within the planter. So if we run that, yeah, so as we can see, the expertise has been separated based on the like the expertise type of expertise, planter expertise. So as we can see that it's a really helpful operator if we want to deep dive, and we can also like really separate it more. Like if we do unwind once again based on the tree, so we will get a lot of data. So this is a really helpful operator if we want to like analyze an array to the core. So if we do that, then we can get, yeah, so now it has been further broken down into separate segments. Like we are getting like tree oak, and the expertise of the planter is ecology. So this is a really helpful operator, and it's really helpful in the um, in the field of data analytics, as we can like analyze a huge data set or an arrays data set, and really do calculation based on that. So yeah, we can like do the calculation also here. If we just copy this here, yeah, and so if we just copy it and run it, yeah, so we're getting a huge amount of data, like 373, 378, 388. So it has been further broken down into like my project has 1,000 documents, so it has been further broken down. So it's a really good operator that I've explored in MongoDB. Thank you.